Hi everyone, my February paper pumpkin just arrived and I wanted to be sure to show it to you. Okay, 5-year anniversary coming up on the next one. And that's fun. Oh, a free gift in the March kit. So if you want the next month's kit, sign up by March 10th and you'll get a free gift in your box. So that's fun. Put that aside. The color, Garden Green. Very nice. I don't know that we've seen a garden green. Okay, the stamps. Let me get some white paper so you can see it better. Thank you, friend, celebrate. These little ones say, hello, sweet, and so much. So thank you so much. Hello, sweet friend. Very fun. There's just an underline. Oh, your awesomeness. And what does that one say? Big times. And then there's 3 flowers. Little cute little flowers. So that's a fun stamp set. And the kit itself. Really fun. It looks like we're using some cutouts. Where did I put those scissors? Alright, so we've got some linen thread and some adhesives. Little pearls. Teeny tiny pearls, real cute. Some envelope. Oh, look at the inside of the envelopes. How fun is that? Kind of a crumb cake Sahara sand background. Some printed, these probably look like panels that you're going to put on the front. Some of them have stripes, some of them have little flowers, little patterns. Cute. Turn my light on different there. Okay, these are some fun little cutout banners, labels. Okay, so it looks like what we're going to do is you're going to have the letters punch out and then the flowers behind, so you're going to see the word friend written in flowers. That is really fun. Oh, and look at all these stickers. This is really pretty. Look at these leaves on vellum. Okay, some different words. This says celebrate and thank you. Then we have some more vellum pieces. Look at that. Some little vellum banners and some more little sprigs. Let's find that instruction sheet. Okay, so we've got the words poking through like I thought. You're going to see them poke through, and then you're going to add little words on top. Like here they've added your awesomeness, hello sweet friend, and they've put those on those vellum banners. And the stickers they've suggested on the envelopes. How pretty is this kit? Really sweet, and it looks like 9 cards in all full-size cards, and the instruction sheet. Really, really fun. It looks like you're going to have some extra stickers too, because they've used them on the envelopes. Not much on the actual card, but you can put them on the inside of the card too. Yep, you're going to have a lot of leftover little stickers, which is fun. You can embellish it even more. Okay, so that is the February paper pumpkin kit. I forgot the name of it. Wildflower Wishes. Really fun. Get it close up there. All right, if you didn't get this kit, sometimes they offer them after they've sent out all of the kits to subscribers. So if you want one, contact me. I can let you know if some more have become available. I usually get more than a couple, so sometimes I will sell my extras, although look how pretty these envelopes are. I don't know that I can get rid of those. Well, contact me and maybe we can find you some refills. And the stamp set. Really cute kit. Very sweet. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you'd like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. You can even subscribe on a prepaid subscription and get some celebration rewards right now through the end of March. So if you want that March kit with the free gift, sign up by March 10th or contact me through bethspapercuts.com on my blog or my Facebook page. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!